Tick Pulse is one of the latest strategies we've been talking about. It's a 15-second trades on 15-second charts using the NYSE tick, and we take a look at Friday's trades. Short loser, long winner, small gain on the day, and at equity peaks. As you can see the chart here, the equity curve, green dot made an equity peak. And so we take a look at this strategy performance summary. $73 average trade profit and a 31.75 drawdown and 52% profitable. These are all good numbers for day trading. We like to boost them as much as possible without optimizing the strategy. And so one of the ways we take a look at how to do this is through the money management algorithms. And so we have money management algorithms in our arsenal, and there's something that we offer as well. And we set up the money management algorithms to see which ones would work the best, and found that Rule 12 works the best. Rule 12, what it does is we wait for a $1,000 drawdown, and then we start trading, and then we stop after a $3,000 run up from that drawdown. And so we take a look at the results of trading Tick Pulse with that money management algorithm, and you boost the average trade profit to 109. The total net profit is a little bit smaller, but the drawdown is smaller. And the big number that we want to look at is the net profit as a percentage of drawdown. It's 11.54. Over here it was 884, and then when you click over here it is 11.54 because we decreased the drawdown by about 1,000. The percent profitability goes up to 55%. Average trade is 109 versus 73, and the profit factor goes to 1.97 instead of around 1.5. And so here is the equity curve, straighter equity curve, and again, really nice average trade profit. 242 trades since September of 2015, and so this is the combination that we really recommend, and one that you can use as well. And we talk about all the time about getting in on drawdowns. And so if you typically want to start a strategy or a portfolio when it's in a drawdown, but there is no real rule for exiting and then getting back in, exiting and then getting back in. That can be a tricky situation. But if you can systemize that approach like we're doing here with the money management algorithms, this is how you would do it. Wait for a $1,000 drawdown, get out on a $3,000 run up, and then wait for another $1,000 drawdown to start again. And so that's the way the money management algorithms work. You can also do other rules in the money management algorithms, and you can read about them on our website. Works for TradeStation, NinjaTrader, and MultiCharts. And you see all the rules. It has a closed equity curve moving average, closed equity curve ADX, which gives you the trend of the equity curve, the stochastics of the equity curve, RSI of the equity curve. Then we've got things like average trade profit. Trade profit goes into cycles. Average trade profit goes into cycles, and so consider you're starting to trade this in a drawdown when the average trade profit cycles down, and then get out when the average trade profit cycles up. Pinpoint entry algorithm lets you get in at a better price than your original system, so if you want to improve the entry, you can test that. A drawdown stop, where you get out on a drawdown and then you just stop trading after a drawdown. And so for example, we get on a $3,000 drawdown, and then we get back in on a $3,000 run up. And so that's to say, if you stop at a $3,000 drawdown to prevent maybe a system that just does really bad and goes into a $10,000 drawdown, but then it gets back in on a run up from its equity lows, equity valleys. And so if it runs down, say $10,000, you got out at $3,000, and then if it starts to run back up by $3,000, then you get in, and you can test those numbers as well. The one that we used for this strategy is the opposite. We get in on a drawdown and exit out on a run up. And so there's different ways to think about that and the way you want to manage that equity curve. And there's different parameters. You can read more about that on our website. I'm going to show you where the link is. So if you go to our website, you can see the main products or trading portfolios, trading systems, and money management algorithms. And so you can go to this location, the money management algorithms for TradeStation and MultiCharts, and then you can do money management algorithms for NinjaTrader just below that. and you wait for that page to load. So once you have that, you can take a look here, and you learn all about the money management algorithms and the list of rules, the entry techniques, a long list of inputs and how they work. And so this is how you can set things up, and you can get the lifetime open code license, and you can modify it as well. So let me know if you have any questions on Tick Pulse or the money management algorithms. It's a great tool to use, and the purpose of this tool is to find weaknesses in your strategy, to improve your strategy, to manage your strategy. It's basically a trading system for your trading system.